The province of Pampanga is known as the culinary capital of the Philippines. On my recent trip there, I met up with Chef Claude Taig at his beautiful outdoor restaurant, and he prepared for me two of his favorite local recipes. The first one was a soup called bulang lang, made with a fruit broth, and that inspired me to prepare venison rack with a balsamic blueberry sauce. First, I want to start by preparing the venison rack. I really liked how the guava in Chef Claude's bulang lang played off the richness of the river prawns, and I'm taking that inspiration using the blueberries to play off of the venison. I want to build in flavor into this rack, which I'm going to roast in the oven. So I'm going to cover it with Dijon mustard, chopped fresh rosemary, and some salt and pepper. I'll spoon this on first. And I want to spread the mustard to completely cover all of the venison. Then I take the rack and I drop it into dry breadcrumbs, drop that into a pan that can go into the oven. I've preheated my oven to 190 degrees, and depending on the size of your rack, it can take anywhere from 25 up to 40 minutes to cook. While the venison cooks, I can prepare my blueberry sauce. The fruitiness of the blueberries balances out the gaminess of the venison. And I found that inspiration came from Chef Claude's use of the guava, the tart fruit, to play against the richness of the seafood he added to his soup. I'm adding tartness too, using balsamic vinegar. And this is a sweet sauce, so a bit of sugar, but to balance it out with the savory side of things, a bit of finely minced shallot. I'll bring this up to a full boil and then let it simmer down and reduce. The sugar and the balsamic will actually thicken the sauce into a glaze consistency. Beautiful. Now it's time to check on the venison. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I'll carve up the rack into individual chops. And now it's time to plate. I'll spoon a little blueberry sauce at the bottom of the plate. A little sprinkle of sea salt just right on top. And there you have it, my venison rack with balsamic blueberry sauce. This sauce really makes the dish with its intensity, the sweetness, the balsamic, and of course, the fruit. Fruit works beautifully in a main course.